Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about pulse pressure. Okay, pulse pressure. Pulse pressure is the difference between the systolic and diastolic pressures. Pulse pressure is the difference between the systolic and diastolic pressures. Normally it ranges between 20 to 50 mmHg. The change in pressure during systole and diastole of a cardiac cycle produces the pulse pressure. The change in pressure during the systole and diastole of a cardiac cycle produces pulse pressure. The pulse pressure is high in aorta and large artery. High in aorta and large artery. It grossly decreases across the arterioles, almost negligible in capillaries and nil in veins. Okay guys. High, that means maximum in arteries, maximum in big arteries, and zero in veins. Okay, maximum pulse pressure maximum in large arteries and zero in veins. Okay, in arteries the pulse pressure decreases with size. See here, high in aorta and large artery, and next size in arterioles. This is decreases across the arterioles, almost negligible in capillaries. See this figure. This figure explains the pulse pressure. Okay, this figure explains the pulse pressure. Pulse pressure is the difference between the systolic and diastolic pressure. Okay, the difference between the systolic and diastolic pressure is called pulse pressure. See here guys, this is the pulse pressure in arteries, this is the pulse pressure in arterioles, this is the pulse pressure in capillaries, this is the pulse pressure in venules. Pulse pressure is high in aorta and large arteries. Okay, and next, and the pulse pressure is grossly decreases in arterioles, and the pulse pressure is negligible in capillaries. Okay, in arteries this pulse pressure is gradually decreases with size of these, okay, with the size of these tubes. Okay guys, when coming to the venules, in venules pulse pressure is 0 or nil. See here, pulse pressure. First definition. Pulse pressure is difference between the systolic and diastolic pressure. Next, normal value of the pulse pressure 20 to 50 mmHg. Significance of the pulse pressure. This is the pressure that maintains the normal pulsatile nature of flow of blood in the vascular compartment. The pulsatile nature of flow is required for perfusion of the tissues. Once again, significance of the pulse pressure. This is the pressure that maintains the normal pulsatile nature of flow of blood in the vascular compartment. The pulsatile nature of flow is required for the perfusion of the tissues. Okay guys, this is about the pulse pressure. If you like my explanation, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and don't miss the notifications. Thanks for watching.